Harita, General Manager from State Bank of India. Today I have come down from Chennai to open this property Fair Pro, which is hosting around 42 builders put up their stalls, and this particular Fair Pro is going to be a real game changer for those who really want to have homes, because the builders are available here, the special interest rates are available here for them to avail, and the TAT would be the best TAT, and we have our teams lined up so as to process the loans immediately upon their closing the upon their finalizing their home purchase. We would be processing the loans within the shortest possible time, and we are here to offer the best of the best scheme of State Bank of India's home loan. And since Coimbatore is at a very bright spot because of the weather conditions, and people are looking forward to buy homes in Coimbatore, and this is a one of the kind where the property Fair Pro offers the builders to be assembled here, where all the choices required for the residents of Coimbatore are available. They can come here, have a look at the kind of opportunities available, avail a loan from State Bank of India, and fulfill their dream of having a home, which is a very, very good opportunity, I feel. And I request everyone to come down and have your dream come true. Thank you. Here stalls, 42 stalls for the builders. We have here around 6 stalls for the auto dealers, and also some ancillary like solar, some other even plots also are available. So people can come down here. It's a good opportunity where all are available at one place and they have choices to make. So once when they go through the kind of offerings that are available from builders and also kind of facilities that are available, they can quickly make a decision, and they can decide to purchase a home, and then they can immediately avail home loans from State Bank of India. This is exclusive event of State Bank of India for the residents of Coimbatore, and I wish everyone to come down here and avail this opportunity. See, from State Bank of India, we have loans for availing homes. See, gold is a kind of asset which where the value is in a very up and down stage because of various geopolitical situations and all. Home is always a home. Once built, anyone builds 1 or 2 or 3 homes maximum. Gold is something which is a kind of which is not of big value, where they need they need to invest huge amount. So I think home is the best one to avail right now because of stability of the prices. Yeah. State Bank of India is pioneer in giving home loans, and our rate of interest, our